Welcome to the Email Campaign Strategy and Planning module, your ultimate guide to crafting high-impact email campaigns that drive engagement, conversions, and customer loyalty. Let's dive into the step-by-step process. Step 1. Define your email campaign goals. Before you send out a single email, ask yourself, what do I want to achieve? Is it increasing brand awareness, generating leads, driving sales, or boosting engagement? Be specific and set measurable objectives like increase email open rates by 20% in the next 3 months. Align these goals with your overall business strategy for maximum impact. Step 2. Build and segment your email list. A well-targeted email list means higher engagement. Collect emails through website signups, social media promotions, or lead magnets. Segment your list based on demographics, interests, or purchase history. Personalization is key. Speak directly to your audience's needs. Step 3. Choose the right email type. Different goals require different email styles. Promotional emails announce sales, discounts, and offers. Newsletters share updates, blog posts, or industry news. Transactional emails order confirmations and shipping updates. Drip campaigns automated sequences based on user behavior. Pro tip: plan a content calendar to maintain consistency. Step 4. Create high-converting email content. Your email should grab attention and inspire action. Subject lines matter. Keep them under 50 characters, spark curiosity, or create urgency. Engaging email. Copy speak directly to your reader, address pain points, and offer value. Clear call to action, CTA. Use terms like shop now, download your free guide, get started today. Use visuals and formatting. Eye-catching images, buttons, and mobile-friendly designs. Step 5. Optimize for deliverability and compliance. Ensure your emails land in inboxes, not spam folders. Authenticate your sender domain SPF, DKIM, DMARC. Avoid spammy words like free money or click here. Follow regulations like GDPR and CAN-SPAM. Test emails on different devices before sending. Step 6. Automate and schedule emails. Save time and improve efficiency with automation. Use tools like MailChimp, HubSpot, or Klaviyo. Schedule emails based on audience behavior. Send at the best open times. Let automation do the work while you focus on scaling. Step 7. Measure and optimize performance. Data-driven decisions lead to better results. Track key metrics like open rate, click-through rate, and conversions. A/B test subject lines, content, and CTAs to see what works best. Optimize based on insights. Small tweaks can lead to big improvements. Final step: improve and scale. Experiment with new strategies. AI-driven personalization, interactive emails, and even video content can boost engagement. Keep building and refining your email list for sustained success. Follow these steps and create high-impact email campaigns that drive real results. Ready to level up your email marketing game? Start planning today.